Are you listening? Damn.
From Quicksilver Exhaust here, and very pleased to introduce the latest addition to the Quicksilver family, the new Range Rover with the 4.4 turbo BMW engine. This has our Quicksilver full system with Sound Architect active valve technology, so you can go from raucous loud to very, very civilized at a touch of a button on your phone. Let's see what it sounds like. Go for a little ride with my faithful friend Ben, who's designated driver and awesome tech, all-round great guy. So this system has two valves at the back, controlled by an app, or our Sound Architect module, which you control with an app on your phone, so you can turn them on and off anytime you want, so you have ultimate control.
With the valve open, how it should be in a V8. And then with the valve shut, it's basically back to stock again. Suits a car like this.
Yeah,
you don't want it too loud or obnoxious, so it's perfect. Having that valve control just gives you the best of both worlds. Turbocharged this time, not supercharged like the old 5 litre V8s normally found in all the JLR products. So it does sound quite different, which is nice.
Contact us if you want one of the first ones on the first batch run. Yeah, new car, new product. Quicksilver doing what we do best, making cars sound better for the world. Ben, sign it off.
Yeah, let's get at it.